Ano to?
Ano yan?
Kojic naman, Kojic soup. Yo, I won. I won, yo. First time ko mag-vlog dito sa Ehaw Bandaretu. Girl, really? Find the impostor. Uulan ngayon. Iluluha pa, di ka na iba. Narito ang puki ko. Ito yun eh, no? Ito yun eh. Harap ko, nagmula sa'yo. I'm just out here grilling shit. Aki, please pass the leg.
Namoy na yan, no?
Saan punta mo? Yo, I'm about to win this round, I think. Ala, hindi. Ako to. Parang copy the drawing. Oh, I think I wanna draw Finn. But let's go with Homer. Ano ba yan? Second. Ikaw. Nga, mas cute naman yung sa akin.
Oh.
Yeah. It's the receipts. Ano ba yun? Ayun, nanalo pa, girl.
Panalo pa.
Panalo pa nga.
Ano siya pa? Ay, ako.
Oh, girl, ikaw yung nanalo. Bini Malone. Bini Malone.
Huh?
Hey, yo, I'm at the motherfucking market. So, let's fucking go. And just fucking arrive, girl. We went there for some stickers, so yeah. I'm gonna make a haul later sa Ehaw Bandaretu. So, you're gonna see me on the Ehaw Bandaretu in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ano na, pinagsisihan kong binili ito ngayon kasi pangit pala yung print. Hindi ko alam. Parang hindi nga siya waterproof eh. No?
Oo nga, yucks.
So, ito, may case pa siya and may pa freebie.
Yan, maganda yung
Oo, girl, maganda yung quality. Ito yung Breakfast Club. Breakfast Club is one of my favorite movies of all time. So, ito, Red My Melody. Tapos, oh my God, hindi ko alam na nag-throw pa sila ng dalawang freebie. Akala ko yung ito lang yung San Mig Light. Pero ito rin palang logo ng The Breakfast Club. Ito ang Aki Squared. Oh, pagsisigaw tayo ng Aki. Tayong lahat, guys. 1, 2, 3, go. Aki! Yeah. Ano, tinest lang. Bibi! Saan yung grasshopper?
Hindi na ba ng dagat? Tumalon yan.
Saan?
Yan o.
Saan?
Ito.
Ay, oo nga no.
So, camouflage.
Oo nga no, ang camouflage niya. Wala. Injured na siya kasi si Cloud. No?
Kaya niya yung isa pa. Is my blind or something? No, you're not blind. Mine has a metal in the back.
I think they don't wanna fight, they just wanna be friends.
These spiders are meant to fight. Yeah.
Ay, really? Yo, 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 yo.
Get
Yeah!
shoes. Shoes ko. Mine's fast, but yours has superpowers. This one is the butchog. Yeah. He's the kakambal of this payat. Oh. Sinakmal ng sa akin yung sa'yo. Ho, ho, ho! Hindi, sinakmal yung sa akin lang sa'yo. Baliktad. Oh, go, go, go. Sinakmal. Ay, kung nanalo sa akin, bigyan mo ako 1 piso ah. Gusto mo 1,000 pa? Hindi. Ay! Ba't siya naulog? Wait, tayo. Oo!
Yo, grabe yung kabutsugan niya eh, no?
Lalaki siya! Ito? Yan, lalaki! Babae yan! Bumili siya kasi may nakita siyang pagkain. Oy! Uy, ang galing! Ang galing! O, ano? Palag, Dre?
Nakita nyo kagano siya kalinis kanina, di ba? Tignan nyo siya ngayon. Dungrit. Hmm? Guys, takoyaki.
It's a very rare one.
Totoo ba? Nice.
This fights.
Let's taste it, y'all. Mm. Lapit ho ng lapit. Ano daw rate mo? Tala, okay. Ah. Rate daw, rate. 9 daw, girl. Aki squared. You're both named Aki. Ito, oh.
There.
Takoyaki. You rate it daw. Mm.
Same.
Okay. Cheers, y'all! Para sa akin 10. Kasi I made the sauce. Tara na, abutin ang lahat ng pangarap mo.
Guys, he's trying to make takoyaki.
Yes. This is my first time trying this. I don't know if it's like... Yeah.
Bro keeps on falling the lettuce.
Yeah. Ito na
Thank
yung
you.
last batter. Sa last batter.
Next year na tayo magtatakoyaki.
Girl,
Kids should never cook.
well, have you watched Junior Master Chef?
I started cooking once when I was 2 years.
2 years old?
No.
Grabe ko
when
naman.
I was in grade 2. Grade 2.
How about you? You know how to cook na?
No.
Ito din, 8
Pack. Cinematography yun. Ito yung finished product. With the sauce, mayo, bonito flakes, and seaweed. Yeah.
3?
Ulitin.
Ano po yan?
Wait lang.